In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify an existing invoice in a sales software system. This small task can have a big impact on keeping your records accurate and up to date. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the sales section of your software. This might be labeled simply as sales on your main menu or dashboard depending on your specific version. Within the sales section, look for an option labeled Invoices. This is where all the invoices related to your sales activities are stored. Once you've successfully located and clicked on the Invoices section, you'll see a list of all your invoices, maybe organized by date, by client, or in some other way depending on your preferences or previous settings. Find the specific invoice that you need to edit. This could involve scrolling through the list or using a search function if there is one available, which can be especially helpful if you have a large volume of invoices. After you select the invoice you want to modify, you should see an option to edit it. This is usually represented by a button labeled Edit, or it could be an icon such as a pencil or a similar symbol that indicates editability. Click on the Edit option, and this should open the invoice for changes. At this point, you can make the necessary adjustments, whether it's updating the quantity of items, changing a description, correcting a price, or any other modifications that need to be made. Take a moment to double check your changes. Accuracy is key because any discrepancies could lead to issues down the line, either with your own records, with your accounting system, or with the client. After making the edits, look for a Save button to apply your changes. This saves all the adjustments and updates the invoice in the system. It's crucial to save your changes to ensure that the updated version is what gets recorded and potentially communicated if these invoices go out to clients. After saving, you typically receive a confirmation message indicating that your changes were successful. Keep an eye out for this notification to make sure everything was processed correctly. By taking these steps, you've successfully edited an invoice, ensuring your sales records remain accurate and reflective of your current transactions. Regular maintenance of your invoices not only keeps things accurate for your records, but also improves transparency and trust with your clients. If anything was unclear, feel free to replay this video or reattempt the steps on your own system, and don't hesitate to reach out should you need additional help.